Up and in. Welcome back to Andine's TV in Andine's Kitchen. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave us a sweet comment. For my real OGs, thank you for standing in with us. So in today's video, I just want to share a little story with you. As you can see what's going on, I am a Jamaican. For those who don't know me, my name is Nadine. In the Caribbean, we are used to see the ocean, the fish from the ocean. So you try your best to make this farm-raised fish taste as palatable as you would like. So here is my escovitch version without deep frying, so you'll see what's going on. So back in the day when we were growing up, we have a lot of choices on fish from the ocean. Tastes really different. You prepare, I would say, almost the same way, but in more grease. Here you can see the fish is fully cleaned, and I'm going to remove all those balancers that they used to swim around, whatever you call them, fin or whatever. So yeah, back in the days when you have fish in Jamaica and you can make escovitch fish, you have people that sell fish, you have small street vendors, you have big places, and everybody have their escovitch fish their way out, a traditional way how they do it. So here is a way that I am presenting without the deep fried part of it. So just keep watching. So in Jamaica, this is how most people acquire their fish. Either you go to the fish side, the seaside, or you go to the market where you buy from the vendors in the markets. Where if you know about the fish, you pay attention to the eye and how fresh the fish looks, and then you decide on your choice of fish. In Jamaica, we have a lot of fishes that we get from the ocean. We have parrots, we have doctor fish, different varieties of fishes. Tastes really different from farm-raised fish. So you acquire your fish and then you clean it, remove the gill and clean it and season it. Your seasoning, your choice of seasoning, everybody's not going to choose the same thing. Some people have preference on how they like, so you season preferably overnight, and then you proceed on your choice of cooking, which I am introducing a choice of preparing your fish here without deep frying for people that has cholesterol problems or just trying to eat healthier overall, so I think that I wanted to get some really nice fried fish without all that oil in the pan. Even if you're using a good quality oil, which I use coconut oil, and I still think if you have to soak the fish in all that oil, if you're trying to pay attention to what you're incorporating inside, then you really have to pay attention. Right there you could see I'm pouring some coconut oil, which you can see it's not much, on this fish that's been seasoned for the overnight, and then I'm going to place it in the air fryer, which it fries so perfect and turn out so well. If you have an air fryer, you can still make your fish. You can make fried fish and prepare your fish nicely. So as I said, in Jamaica, you cut up your onions and stuff. As you see, that's the fish pulled from the air fryer that's been fried from in the air fryer. Didn't soak it in any oil. So if you're watching your intake or just overall trying to go a healthier way, look how beautiful that comes out. And that's your fried fish fried in the air fryer. So that's an alternative way to go, because escovitch fish doesn't mean you have to soak it in 2 or 3 inches of fat to create escovitch. Escovitch fish is the content and the flavor that comes along. Here I'm creating some contrast. As you can see, that's creating the sauce, and I'm getting the sauce. So as I said, without a ton of oil, I made the sauce separate. People that are not allergic to coconut oil, coconut milk, you can use coconut milk or almond milk, whatever milk you choose. I choose coconut milk because the flavor, and I created the sauce and use a little thickening to get it to the texture that I prefer. And here I am pouring it on my onions and everything. Peppers nicely sweat, very seasoned. That's my escovitch fish. That's a version that you can choose right there. I'm sprinkling on some fresh cut basil. And there you have it. Up and out. Please like, share and subscribe, and keep coming back for new videos.